Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.